Hello and welcome to this video tutorial from liberprogramming.org, and I welcome you to this part in which we will learn more uses of unions. As you know, this video has been recorded at 720p, so please watch at 720p for optimal font resolution. Now, when you program in such systems where you have less memory, then you want to save as much space as possible, and that is the key point of unions. So suppose I have an unsigned character which consists of 8 bits, then I can represent each individual bit, like first bit will be 1 bit. This is a bit field, so this first bit will point only to the first bit, that is the least significant bit. Then second bit occupies 2 bits, but it shares the first bit with both C and the first bit, and its individual value is at the second bit. Now third bit's individual value is at third bit, but it shares first and second bit with both C and first bit. Sorry, it shares second bit with second bit and C, but it shares first bit with first bit, second bit and C. So if I make any change in the second bit by assigning some value to this element third underscore bit in this union, then it will affect second bit, first bit and C, all of them, and it will also affect all these. But suppose I modify something in the 8th bit, then it will not affect the value of first to 7th bit, but it will affect only C. Let's see how this is done. So I have declared a stack variable B. Then I say first bit is 0. Now second bit I have made 2. Now 2 in binary is 1 and 0. So remember, since first bit is 0, so I have kept the first bit 0. If I make it 1, I mean B dot second bit is 1, then the first bit's value changes. Or if I make it 3, the binary is again 11. So again the value of first bit will become 1. So I carefully advanced and added 4. Then I added nothing, that is fourth bit is 0. Then I added 16. So this careful addition is there. And then I added 64. So according to position you have to add. Now you see B.C. So the B.C will be nothing but 86. Now if you make second bit is equal to 0, then it will not affect B dot first bit, but all other will become less by 2. Let's see this program in running. Okay, so this is these warnings have come because we have enabled pedantic flag. Minus pedantic, what it does is it wants compiler to make your program standard conformant, but specification says the bit field cannot be of type unsigned char. Bools are allowed and integers are allowed. Short integers are allowed, but not characters. So let's run this. You see 86, 84 and 20. So here it was 86, then I decreased it by 2. So it affected the value of 8 bit and 6 bit. Now 7th bit also will be 84, 5th will be 20 and so on. So let's see what happens to 5th bit. For example, you might be curious. So it will be 20 b dot 5th bit. Okay. So that became 20, right? Now suppose I want to change this second bit to 0. Okay, that I have made 0. Now let's say I want to make this 7th bit 0. So what I would do is b dot 7th bit I will make 22. So see what happens because of that. So b dot 7th bit is equal to 0. So now you will see, sorry, not 0, 22. So this effectively makes 7th bit 0 because it keeps values up to 6th bit. So because of this, 8th bit will become 22. Sorry, 8th bit will become 22, and then since this is 22, that means the original value of second bit will be restored. That means 5th bit and 6th bit will become 22, and therefore you will see here 22. all 22. So that's about compressing bits into a union, and this technique is used a lot while when you do system programming. You will see XORed bits. You XOR the bits and pass them as an argument. For example, if you look at the open system call, I'll show you man of open. You'll man 3 open. So you see this int o flag. Now these flags are nothing but booleans, and you can combine them. Any combination can be used, and you can use uh, a logical OR, which is used like this. So variable 1 or variable 2 or variable 3. This way you OR them, and then the bits are set in the final value, that is the flag value. So when you OR them, this will be set, and that's how it is done. So that's it for now. In our next tutorial, we will learn more about C programming, and till then, happy programming. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, or if you do not like the video, you can as well hit dislike button. So in order to become a better programmer, keep programming and keep watching videos. Some of the videos are not very good, I know it, but then some are very good, that also I know. So keep watching. Happy programming.